Hallo und herzlich willkommen bei Deutsch mit Sajin. If you are just starting to learn German, this video is perfect for you. Today I will teach you the top 20 most important German words every beginner must know. These are the words you will hear and use every day in Germany. Let us go step by step. I will say each word slowly, tell you what it means, and give you an easy sentence as example. Ready? Los geht's. Hallo means hello. Hallo, wie geht's? Hello, how are you? Ja, yes. Ja, ich verstehe. Yes, I understand. Nein. No. Nein, danke. No, thank you. Bitte. Please. You are welcome. Ein Wasser bitte. Water please. Danke. Bitte. Thank you. You are welcome. Danke. Thank you. Danke für deine Hilfe. Thank you for your help. Entschuldigung. Excuse me. Or sorry. Entschuldigung, wo ist die Toilette? Excuse me, where is the toilet? Ich means I. Ich bin Sajin. I am Sajin. Du or sie. You, informal or formal. Wie heißt du? What is your name? Wie heißen Sie? Formal way of asking someone's name. Essen, food or to eat. Ich esse einen Apfel. I am eating an apple. Trinken, to drink. Ich trinke Wasser. I drink water. Wasser means water. Ein Glas Wasser bitte. A glass of water, please. Brot, bread. Das Brot is frisch. The bread is fresh. Haus. Mein Haus ist groß. My house is big. Auto. Car. Das Auto is neu. The car is new. Schule. School. Ich gehe zur Schule. I go to school. Freund or Freundin. Friend can be male. Female friend means Freundin. Ist mein Freund. Sie ist meine Freundin. He is my friend. She is my friend. Ich verstehe nicht. I don't understand. Entschuldigung, ich verstehe nicht. Sorry, I don't understand. Sprechen, to speak. Ich spreche ein bisschen Deutsch. I speak a little German. Wo ist der Bahnhof? Where is the train station? Was means what? Was ist das? What is that? Now, let us practice 5 quick sentences together. Repeat after me. Hallo, ich bin Sajin. Ich trinke Wasser. Wo ist die Schule? Danke. Bitte. Entschuldigung, ich verstehe nicht. Sehr gut. Rewind and repeat this video every day for 5 minutes. And soon, these words will be familiar. That's it for today's lesson. The top 20 German words every beginner needs to know. Comment below which word did you like the most. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy German lessons. Tschüss and bis bald.